Starting a small business does not always need a big investment. There are simple machines that cost less than $100 and can be used right at home. These machines are easy to operate, affordable to set up, and perfect for anyone who wants to start earning extra income without major risks. From creative tools that make daily use products to small food machines that people love to buy from, each idea can help you build a steady source of profit. Stay with me, because these simple tools can help you start your own small business without breaking the bank. By the end of this video, you'll know which machines are truly worth starting with if you want a practical and budget-friendly business from home. If you'd like to see the full list of every machine I cover here, along with direct links on where you can purchase them, check the description or just drop a comment saying, "Send me the link," and I'll make sure you get the complete breakdown. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All videos, discussions, and demonstrations about business machines, investments, or related topics are not financial advice. Number 15. Mini Pancake Maker. The Mini Pancake Maker is a small and efficient electric griddle that can cook multiple bite-sized pancakes at once. These mini pancakes are a favorite snack, often served with chocolate, honey, or fruit toppings. They are loved by both kids and adults, making them a great product to sell at food stalls, cafes, or events. A quality machine costs around $100 to $200. To use it, simply prepare your pancake batter, pour it into the molds, and within minutes, you have perfectly cooked mini pancakes ready to serve. The cost per portion is very low compared to the selling price, which means the profit margins are strong. Compact, quick, and trendy, this machine offers a profitable way to start a small food business from home or at local markets. Number 14. Glass Bottle Cutter Kit. The Glass Bottle Cutter Kit is one of the simplest and most affordable machines to start a small business from home. It helps you cut and recycle bottles into creative and useful items like vases, planters, candle holders, lamps, and glass cups. With the rising interest in eco-friendly and handmade products, this tool can help you build a small but profitable craft business. A complete kit costs around $20 to $40, making it very affordable. To use, place a bottle on the cutter, score the line with the cutting wheel, then use hot and cold water to separate it cleanly. After sanding the edges, the glass looks polished and professional. You can sell your finished products on Etsy, craft fairs, or local markets. Since each design is unique, customers love buying personalized recycled items. It's an easy, creative, and profitable small business to begin right from your home. Number 13. Donut Making Machine. The donut making machine is perfect for anyone who enjoys baking and wants to start a small business. Fresh donuts are always popular at cafes, bakeries, schools, and food stalls, and they sell quickly wherever they are offered. A tabletop donut maker costs around $150 to $300. To use it, pour the donut batter into the molds, cook for a few minutes, and decorate with chocolate, glaze, or sprinkles. The ingredients are inexpensive, while the selling price is much higher, making this a highly profitable idea. You can sell donuts at markets, schools, food trucks, or through delivery apps. With easy operation, low setup cost, and steady demand, this machine is a fun and reliable way to build a home bakery business. Number 12. Candle Making Machine or Kit. The candle making machine or starter kit is ideal for creative people who enjoy handmade crafts. Decorative and scented candles are in constant demand for home decor, gifts, and events. Starter kits usually cost between $150 to $300. The process is simple. Melt wax, mix in colors and fragrance, then pour into molds. The machine ensures smooth melting and a professional finish. Since the materials are inexpensive and the market price is strong, this business can become profitable very quickly. You can sell candles online through Etsy, social media, or local craft shops. Lightweight and easy to ship, candles are a flexible product to make and sell from home. With creativity and consistency, this machine can turn your hobby into a steady income stream. Number 11. Paper plate making machine. The paper plate making machine is a practical choice for anyone looking for a simple business with consistent demand. Paper plates are used at parties, food stalls, and catering events, and the growing interest in eco-friendly options is increasing sales. A small manual machine costs around $200 to $350. It works by pressing sheets of paper into shaped plates within seconds. The production cost per plate is very low, while the market price remains stable, ensuring good profitability. You can supply plates to wholesalers, caterers, and event organizers. With minimal running costs and strong daily demand, this machine provides a dependable and profitable business opportunity that can grow steadily over time. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 10. Chalk stick making machine. The chalk stick making machine is a simple and reliable business tool for steady income. Chalk is always in use at schools, coaching centers, and offices, which means consistent demand throughout the year. A chalk making machine costs around $250 to $500. To operate, mix plaster of Paris with water, pour into molds, let it set, and remove the finished sticks. The process is easy to manage and requires little maintenance. Because production costs are very low and bulk orders are common, this business can stay profitable with regular buyers. You can supply directly to schools, stationery shops, and wholesalers. With stable demand and easy operation, this is one of the most dependable small-scale business machines you can own. Number 9. Gumball or candy vending machine. The gumball or candy vending machine is one of the simplest business ideas that can run almost by itself. Once placed in a busy location, it sells candy or gumballs automatically, making it a true passive income source. These machines usually cost around $200 to $400. To use, fill the container with candies or gumballs, place it in a mall, school, or grocery store, and let customers buy using coins. The cost per candy is very low, usually under 5 cents, while each one sells for 25 to 50 cents. With the right placement, the sales add up and make the business consistently profitable. You only need to refill the machine and collect cash. It requires little time, no staff, and can easily scale by adding more machines in different areas. If you're enjoying these ideas, wait till you hear what's coming next. The next few machines are surprisingly affordable and can start earning for you within days. Number 8. Cup sealing machine. The cup sealing machine is a great option for anyone who wants to sell bubble tea, milkshakes, juices, or smoothies. It seals plastic cups with airtight film, keeping drinks fresh and spill-free. This simple feature gives your beverages a professional and high-quality look. A reliable machine costs around $120 to $200. To operate, fill the cup, place it in the holder, and press to seal. The film locks tightly onto the cup within seconds. The cost per drink is usually $1 to $1.50, while the selling price can range between $3 and $5. Because drinks like bubble tea and fruit juices are in high demand, this business stays profitable year-round. You can sell from home, open a small kiosk, or even offer delivery through food apps. The machine is compact, efficient, and easy to use. Number 7. Waffle maker machine. The waffle maker machine lets you make crispy, golden waffles in just a few minutes. Waffles are a popular food choice for cafes, breakfast shops, and street food stalls, especially when topped with syrup, fruit, or ice cream. A commercial-style waffle maker costs around $100 to $200. To use it, pour the batter onto the hot plates, close the lid, and cook for a few minutes. The cost to make one waffle is about 70 cents to $1, while the selling price is usually $4 to $6. The difference between cost and selling price makes this machine very profitable. You can sell waffles at cafes, food trucks, or even from home through delivery platforms. Simple operation, strong customer demand, and good margins make this an excellent machine to start a small food business. If any of these machines sound interesting, let me know in the comments. I'll share more details and links to help you get started. And don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps this channel grow. Number 6. Cotton candy machine. The cotton candy machine is a fun and eye-catching business idea that never goes out of style. It turns sugar into soft, colorful cotton candy that both children and adults enjoy at fairs, parties, and school events. A small home-use machine costs about $80 to $150. To use it, pour sugar into the center, heat it up, and collect the spun candy on a stick. You can also add flavors and colors for variety. The cost per piece is less than 20 cents, while it usually sells for $1 to $2. Because the production cost is so low and demand is always strong, this business stays highly profitable. You can sell at parks, events, or birthday parties, or rent out the machine for functions. It is lightweight, easy to clean, and ideal for a small, fun business. Number 5. Button or badge making machine. The button or badge making machine is perfect for producing custom badges with logos, slogans, or creative designs. These badges are popular for schools, campaigns, concerts, and events. And they're quick to make with this small manual press. The machine usually costs $50 to $100 and comes with a starter kit that includes metal shells, pin backs, and transparent covers. To operate, print your design, cut it to size, place the layers in the press, and pull the handle to create a ready-to-sell badge. Badges are inexpensive to produce, yet they sell well because each one can be personalized for clients or events. You can sell them in bulk to schools, NGOs, political campaigns, or online through Etsy and Instagram. With low startup costs and endless design options, this machine gives you a fun, fast, and profitable way to run a creative home business. Number 4. Spice grinder. The spice grinder is perfect for anyone who loves working with food and wants to turn it into a business. This small yet powerful machine grinds whole spices like chili, turmeric, cumin, pepper, and more into fine powder. Freshly ground spices have a stronger aroma and flavor, which customers are always willing to pay extra for. A good grinder for small-scale use costs around $50 to $150. To use it, clean and dry the spices, load them into the grinder, and process them into smooth powder. You can then pack them in small jars or pouches with simple labels. A kilogram of raw chili might cost around $3 to $4, but after grinding and packing, it can sell for $10 to $12 per kilogram. Because spices are used daily, this business stays profitable all year round, with opportunities to sell locally or online. Number 3. Heat press machine. The heat press machine is ideal for creating custom printed products such as t-shirts, tote bags, caps, and pillow covers. These personalized items are in high demand for events, gifts, uniforms, and small brands, making this an excellent home business opportunity. A compact heat press costs around $100 to $200 to use it, depending on size and attachments. To use, print your artwork on transfer paper, place it on the fabric, and press it under heat and pressure for a few seconds. The design transfers cleanly, giving a professional quality result. The cost of a blank t-shirt is usually low, while custom prints can sell for much higher prices, keeping this business profitable. You can sell online through Etsy, Instagram, or Shopify, or take local orders for custom gifts and apparel. With flexibility, low cost, and creative potential, this machine is a solid choice for home-based entrepreneurs. Number 2. Rubber stamp making machine. The rubber stamp making machine is a compact and versatile tool used to create custom stamps for businesses, schools, artists, and offices. Stamps are always in demand for branding, paperwork, crafts, and personal use. making this a smart and sustainable business idea. A basic machine costs around $50 to $100, depending on quality. To use it, design the logo or text on your computer, print it onto a transparent sheet, and let the machine engrave or expose the design onto the rubber. Once ready, you attach the rubber to a stamp base or self-inking pad. Each custom stamp is inexpensive to produce but sells at a strong margin, which keeps this business profitable. You can take bulk or personalized orders through social media, WhatsApp, or online marketplaces. It requires very little space, is easy to operate, and delivers consistent income with minimal effort. Number 1. Hot air popcorn machine. The hot air popcorn machine is one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to start a small snack business from home. Popcorn is a timeless favorite that sells well in schools, parks, fairs, and cinemas. And this machine makes it simple to produce in large batches without needing oil. A compact machine costs around $50 to $100, making it very affordable to begin with. To use, add the corn kernels, switch on the machine, and within minutes, you'll have hot, fluffy popcorn ready to serve. You can add popular flavors like caramel, butter, or cheese to make it more appealing. A bag of raw kernels costing around $20 can make hundreds of popcorn servings. Each serving usually sells for $1 to $2, depending on flavor and packaging. Because the production cost is so low, this business can be highly profitable. You can sell at events, markets, school canteens, or even through online food apps. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and requires very little space, making it a smart choice for a simple home-based snack business. These were some of the most practical and affordable machines you can start with, right from your home. Each one has the potential to turn your creativity into a steady income, without needing a big investment or a large space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring even more useful ideas that can help you build your own small business.